Okay, let's dive into a critical risk that often hides in plain sight.
You see that thin layer of dust in a factory? Well, it's not just dirt. And that's the whole point. Under the right conditions, this stuff becomes incredibly dangerous.
And we're not talking about some rare chemical. We're talking wood, grain, even fabric dust.
It collects up on rafters and machinery, totally ignored because, well, it looks harmless.
So how does it go from just dust to a total disaster? You won't believe how fast it is.
It starts with a spark, causing a primary blast. That kicks up more dust for a huge secondary explosion.
And that's it. 3 seconds. That's faster than anyone can possibly react. It's already over.
So why is this huge risk so often overlooked in safety planning? It's a massive blind spot. Most companies are worried about the obvious stuff, right? Like flammable liquids and chemicals.
But that's the thing. The dangers you don't notice are usually the ones that get you.
So the fix isn't just about better cleaning. It's a total change in how you think about it.
Smart businesses don't wait for a problem. They hunt for hidden risks before disaster strikes.
So that leaves one big question for you. What hidden risks have you completely overlooked?